Welcome back to Mainland Cycle Center. Today we're going to look at a 2012 Arctic Cat. This is a 550i GT LTD. So it's a 550cc engine with the I is independent suspension. It's fully independent suspension, front and rear. The GT I think is the special paint and the alloy wheels. And then the LTD means that this one comes standard with the front and rear heavy-duty brush guard. It has a winch installed from the factory, and then it also has power steering. You can see your alloy wheels there, standard from the factory, with 25-inch tall tires. Here's your big front bumper. Again, that's standard equipment. See, it's got the 2,500 pound winch with roller fair lead, dual headlights, front rack. This has also got power steering. There's your power steering right there. This is selectable two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive right there. And it's on the fly, two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. There's a little shot of your motor. 550cc, single cylinder, water cooled, fuel injected. These are fuel injected. Nice, comfortable seat. Rear rack. There. Here's your shifter. Got neutral, reverse, high, and low. You just move your shifter through the gate. This has got digital instrumentation, so there's your gauge there. And it's got a speedometer and a clock and a fuel gauge, and it tells you what gear you're in. And then here's your left-hand handlebar control. You've got your headlights, low beam and high beam. This is your start button. This is engine off and run. Reverse override. It has a reverse limiter that limits how fast it'll go in reverse. If you push and hold this button, you'll override that reverse limiter. And then right there is your winch switch, out and in on the winch. And then on this side, you got your throttle. And then we've got two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and then you can lock the front differential off from the handlebar. All right. You've also got a little storage compartment here, right there. Got the rear rack. These racks have the Arctic Cat speed rack system, so they have some accessories that plug into these little holes here. There's your rear bumper. These do have a 2-inch receiver hitch on them, so you can just plug a drawbar in them with a ball on it and pull the trailer. There's your fully independent suspension, lots of ground clearance on here. All right. This one's a beautiful paint. It's the candy green on the front, a metallic, I can't think of what the color's called now, but I think it's metallic Arctic green or something like that, but candy lime green kind of color. And then it has a black metallic on the back here. Just a great looking four-wheeler. You know, when you talk about buying a four-wheeler and you're going to add wheels and tires and bumpers and a winch and everything, all those things really add up. So this four-wheeler I think is a really good value with everything that it has. Fuel injection, power steering, alloy wheels, front and rear bumpers, winch, digital instrumentation, everything. So just a really great looking four-wheeler. Well, there it is, the 2012 Arctic Cat 550i GT LTD with power steering. We are Mainland Cycle Center. We are located in LaMarque, Texas, about 30 minutes south of downtown Houston, right off of I-45. Our website is mainlandcyclecenter.com. Our phone number is 409-948-4969. We'd love for you to come by and see us, give us a call, shoot us an email, come by and take a demo ride on one of these. We'd love to help any way we can. Thanks.